class you might see this screen here when you first come in. Let me just so something like this. You can see we've got handouts, a few resources here. So the syllabus is right here. The prereq offerings are here. If you need to take a class that for a prereq, accounting, finance, stats, or microecon, we offer most of those, not all of them online. So if you need one of those, just check that out first. And then if you need assistance in getting registered for one with us, or you'd like some help to find a class somewhere else that's more convenient for your schedule, which is fine. You don't have to take those prereqs through us. We'd love it if you did, but you don't have to. Go ahead and just look at that, and you can just get a hold of me. Just some things too. Our Career Services Department put together a handout. You can see what those are. And then the really big thing in terms of what I want you to work on for this class is to get used to doing a case study. And so there's a very large case study here to begin to read called the Applied Research Technologies Case Study. We call it ART. There is a document here to prepare that, and then a decision exercise. Okay, so those are the three things that you should focus on in terms of assignments. Okay, and then there's a few things here also. I'm going to provide some lectures over here just really soon that I'll describe to you in more detail. But just the overview is focus on handouts, look at the syllabus, then go to coursework is the other big one that you'll want to take a look at. And the coursework's right here. This is basically showing you what's due every week, and it might just change just a tiny bit, so just be aware of that for now. I'm still working on a few things with this class being online, but the first thing you should really think about is the case study and the forum. And so you need to read the case, and look at the memo, and then go ahead and click on this. And once you click on that, then you can begin to kind of write a discussion board post about a few things. Okay, so go ahead and read through that, click on that, and that will help you in terms of what to do. So that's really the first thing that you should focus on and think about. But basically, you'll find your assignments every week through coursework, and then the main page, you'll find what we call handouts and some things like that. It looks very similar to when you first get into the class. That's pretty much the look that you get. Okay. Then also on the bottom right, there is some bookmarks here, and these are just bookmarks that you might find useful in your work-life balance and being a student. Just go ahead and look at those on your own, and I believe that you'll probably find them to be useful. And then then I'll come back with a few other topics here, but I just want to just give you a quick introduction to the class setup, and I'll do a few more recordings to describe a few other things too.